Error detected, NVIDIA GeForce driver version. The required version is 576.88 or later. Close quote. This is common in betas, early access builds, or day one patches where the game depends on minimum driver features from a specific version. Exact step-by-step fix for required NVIDIA driver version 576.88 or later. Chart Step 1. Confirm your GPU model and driver version. Open quote to know if your driver is outdated. Close quote. How? 1. Press Wins R, type DXDiag, press Enter. 2. Go to the Display tab. 3. Check. GPU name, e.g. RTX 3060, driver version, e.g. 546.33. If it's below 56.88, you need to update. Step 2. Download the latest NVIDIA game-ready driver. Open quote, Battlefield 6 needs features only in newer drivers. Close quote. 1. Go to NVIDIA official driver page, he+/wvdia.com/download/index.aspex. Please open your app to see this link. Select your GPU series manually, e.g. GeForce 30 series, RTX 3060. 3. Click Search. Download the latest game-ready WAQL driver. 4. Run the installer. Choose Custom Install. Check Clean Install. Install. Step 3. Use GeForce Experience optional but helpful. Open quote, keeps drivers updated automatically. Close quote. 1. Download akoy/nvidia.com/ens/eforce/geforce-experience/ Please open your app to see this link. 2. Log in, go to Drivers tab. 3. Click Check for Updates, Install Latest. Step 4. Reboot PC. Open quote, to fully activate the new driver version. Close quote. Step 5. Verify the driver is now above 576.88. 1. Press Windows R, type DXDiag, Enter. 2. Go to Display tab. 3. Confirm driver version is 576.88 or newer. Step 6. Launch Battlefield 6 again. Error will now be gone. Game will detect the correct NVIDIA driver version and proceed to launch. Optional, use DDU for deep clean install if issues persist. Open quote, removes old broken driver remnants. Close quote. Tool, display driver uninstaller DDU, download, .guru3d.com/files details display-driver uninstaller.download.html. Please open your app to see this link. Run in safe mode, uninstall NVIDIA driver, reboot, reinstall clean driver as in step 2. SEO video title, fix Battlefield 6